I built an off-grid wood-fired sauna on a 5x8 trailer with zero building experience. This project was a labor of love and taught me that I can do anything if I set my mind to it. In the coming videos, I'll be showing you how we went from this to this. Hello and happy holidays. If you're new here, my name is Nick. Usually my dog Jude is in these videos with me, but he's currently sleeping on the couch right now. Last week, I said that I would be putting together a video outlining the entire process of my build of a wood-fired sauna. Next video is going to be a little throwback to when we built a wood-fired sauna. So I have a bunch of footage that I'm going to put together. Unfortunately, it's all vertical, so hang in there with that, but it's a really cool project and I'm excited to put something together with it. And I sat down to do it and I realized it was just way too much work to throw together in a week. This is kind of classic patterning that shows up for me. I think I can do things in 4 seconds, and it's just not the case. This video is gonna be actually a series of videos, and it's just way more involved than I thought it would be. And I really wanna do this project justice and produce something that I'm really proud of and honors all of the work that me and my partner and our dear friend Sean put in. I have over 600 files to go through, and I really want to take you through the start to the finish. Here's a little sneak peek of what's coming January 5th, 2025. It'll be a series. I'll outline as much detail as I can, including why we built the sauna instead of just buying one, our plans, some of our materials, the process start to finish, some of the costs involved, and all the highs and lows along the way that come with building anything. If you're keen to follow along and see if we can do it, hit that subscribe button and tune in on January 5th, which is when the first video will drop. And if there's anything specific that you want to know about or you'd like to see in the videos coming up, please drop that in the comments below. But otherwise, wishing you a happy new year and lots of love and abundance and ease over the next few weeks and in your life. Much love from me and Jude. And before I go, the wisdom from the tea is, are not flowers the stars of the earth? Happy New Year.